Straight mocos.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog here with the boys. So today we're gonna work on the 240. Yes sir.
There, baby.
Hey Juan, what we doing?
We're gonna finally open up the kit, bro.
Yes sir, finally open up the kit.
After like 3 months.
Later, bro.
After 3 months, bro.
Today's the day. If you look, it's nice and sunny, warm. Bro, look at Juan's fucking knife, bro.
Yeah, that's what Grandpa's knife right there. Here it is, baby. Look at that.
Wow, this shit's really all folded like that, bro.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
A whole kit, bro, in that freaking box.
It is, bro. Alright, we're just gonna throw it on like this.
Just throw it in the street.
That's it, right?
Get that shit. Yeah, the sun has to hit it, and then you just have to, I don't know, just fucking throw it.
Oh, look at that.
Just like a toss that bitch.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Just gotta fold it out a little bit. It fits in one box.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
See, that's the front, that's the back, the rear, and the side. So honestly, it's gonna take about an hour. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
First, we gotta start off with the beer.
Yup, that's first things first.
Yeah.
Gotta stay hydrated with the water.
Yeah.
Juan over there with this fucking Modelo Michelada, trying to get fancy with it.
This is pretty much the shot.
The mango one, baby.
That shit is fire though. Look at all the fucking dents on this car.
He literally marked every single one of them, bro. Show all those dents. We have like at least 50 of them. It's got polka dots on it. In 240.
What do you guys see in the polka dot style? You guys like it or what?
That's the new paint job.
Yeah. These are probably like the worst ones, right? This fat ass one.
And this one up here.
Man, they could definitely see
That's a
that.
big one right there. This one too right here. This one's really deep. You can see
Oh
it.
yeah.
Put a finger in there.
Put a finger in you.
The other two right here. These are probably what, like 10s? Like 2 10s. You brought your tools on the door last?
Taking out the headlights here, guys.
Hey, first though, we have to take off the corners. It's just this little ass screw right here. And then there's gonna be a little ball joint, whatever you call it, in the light. You can pop it out. A little freaky.
And then their last put in work. Those tools, baby.
They come in handy, bro. I'm telling you. Shout out Duralast.
We get sponsored by Jordan. Fucking whack. That's the one that you had trouble last time on.
Yeah, I had to pop it out. There's a little like ball that goes into a hole like that. I'm gonna fucking break it.
Pry bars.
Yeah, something.
Oh, he did bring his tools.
You did?
He lied to me. He brought the ice chest.
The ice chest. I could probably use my panel popper.
There you go, panel popper.
Panel poppers?
You got a panel popper?
My one and only snap-on tool. So I'm trying to catch up to AB, dog.
Yeah, that's the start off right there,
That's
first
the
one.
start for the panel poppers, dog.
See how the KBD look? Is it cooking? You kind of
Yeah, but don't be careful. It's delicate. See this shit right here? This little ball in here? I have to pop that out of place.
Or twist it right here, fool.
You want to take it off like that?
Oh, yeah, then just put tape on her. Headlights. What was that?
Red Bull run.
The Red Bull run? Oh shit, you're defending your V8.
Yeah,
Guzzler.
you gotta stay hungry, bro. Stay thirsty. And you have that too?
Yeah.
This fool is crazy.
And he has his little tray.
So it's just those two, and I think there's one in the fender, huh, or some shit. Yeah, this is all the hard work.
One headlight done. Need one more to go. We're gonna strip the whole car, guys.
Oh yeah.
How many? We have probably one bolt down there.
It's zip tied right here in this corner. There's just a little zip tie on this side. And then
Oh, there's one right here.
yeah.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 2 zip ties on the side.
Yeah.
There it is, baby.
Bumper.
Bumper gone.
throw it in the trash. Like, fucking toss it. Throw it in the trash.
No, I'm gonna save that one though. It's extra parts right there. It's starting to open, baby. Starting to open. Yeah, look it. Give it another like 30 minutes or maybe an hour.
Yeah, this is a rear bumper. This shit's gonna work. For making this shit simple.
Shout out KBD, baby. Then it looks like a straight drift car now.
Straight drift missile, huh? So we're just gonna test fit the kit, even though it's not fully formed yet, but it should look something like this. Damn, this shit's gonna be low, bro. Fuck yeah. And we're done.
Dude, this is gonna be slammed. Look at, there's even one right here, a hole right here for this right here. Watch, get this.
Yeah.
And there's even,
We gotta put.
Yeah, a little
Like-
tab right there. Tab on each side. Yeah. This is gonna be crazy, bro.
tough, huh?
Yeah.
Right now it's not even fully formed, so when it opens,
What you think, bro?
I like it.
good to go, baby.
I like it, man. Nice.
Nice.
It's gonna be fucking hard.
It'd be sick, bro.
I'm hard.
You're always hard. You're always hard. When are you not hard?
Like me.
So what do you guys think right here? Of course, we still need to let it bake, the body.
Let it cook a little bit.
But you guys see the vision. You guys see the vision? Look at that. Damn.
What do you guys think?
That's gonna look beautiful.
A little bit more aggressive.
Beautiful.
Nah, I'm already leaking a little bit over here. We're taking out the taillights now, guys. Oh, we have extra coilovers, BC. You guys wanna? We're selling them too. You guys are interested?
You think?
Take
That
these
is
off.
fun, right?
I believe so. It's a 7.
Oh, what the fuck?
I think it's a 10. I hope it is. I'm guessing it is.
Oh, you took out the moldings?
Yeah.
You kind of set it down too, huh?
Yeah. A little bit.
It's already.
I
We're
lost
ready,
footing
baby.
on what it was. It was way more fucked up.
Ready. Ready for this, baby. This car, summer body ready.
Summer body ready. You guys into dad bods or you guys like fit bods, bro?
KBD bod.
KBD bods. Yeah.
This is gonna be beautiful. It's gonna have the best body work.
How do I look?
Oh shit. Oh, you look good. Fool. Trying to think.
Guys, don't
Oh,
tell them, but this is gonna look trash.
It's dark as fuck. Can't even see you right now. Hey, don't get too drunk right now, right? We still need you.
That's all I do is get drunk.
If we break
The
it,
Zenki garnish right here, 1,000. We know what we have.
party now.
Part out.
Oh, what fell?
I know. Alright, that's it.
Let's find that screw.
So pretty much is what, like 4 nuts and then this middle clip that comes out, and also you have to disconnect the rear reverse lights.
Alright, we're getting almost naked, guys. Well, the car's getting naked.
Yeah.
You want us to get naked?
I seen your face. I seen your face. You got a little too excited there.
I'm excited. It's held on by the gasket. That's what it is. It's stuck. Alright, so there's
Big
that.
ass boy.
Ass, bro.
Big ass boy.
Fucking flapjack. Are we looking, John?
We're looking good.
You're in the ground. What, 2 more screws down there?
Yeah, there's 5 of them. Or it's 6 actually. But yeah, we're good in there.
Now we just need the moldings around. The little door handle too. Do we need to take this off? Yeah, huh?
Yeah. You gotta do everything, dudes. Alright, so we took off the rear bumper already. And now we're test fitting the rear kit, the rear bumper kit part. What do you guys think?
Looks beautiful.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna be working with. What you think, Juanito?
So it looks good. What about the lowness though? You see, pick it up.
Lowness is perfect.
It's perfect, huh?
I mean, you have room to slide around, and you know, you're not gonna be all stupid low. But
Can you just hold it real quick? I just want to see how it looks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. You guys see the vision already. You guys see it. Yep, we good. Now we're sanding it out, baby. the whole hood sanded down for now.
Hey, Pan, you missed a spot right here, fool.
I'm already sweating, bro.
Juan's finally breaking the sweat.
I need a break already.
My boy needs a break, he said.
Where's that fucking...
My boy, you've been doing this for 5 minutes only.
I know, I'm gassed out already. Where's my beer?
Alright boys, so we took apart the whole rear end. We took out the tail lights, the rear bumper. We're stashing it down here for now. So we did all this, kind of test fitting the whole KBD kit to see how it's gonna fit. And we took apart the whole front end. We're already sanding down the bumper since this is rattle can paint, so we had to bring it down to bare metal. And then here's all the bumpers right here, the front and rear. More to come. Definitely need some work. It's gonna be a whole process doing it. And then here's a KBD kit. Shout out to KBD. Shout out to Abraham pulling up as always helping us. And then here's the skirts. So yeah, so whenever you buy these, you always have to break them open the box, obviously, and then you put it out in the sun, and then they bake, and then they transform into their original form, which you see here. Here's the front bumper, here's the rear. That looks good so far. Looks good, looks good. Nice. Juan's over here. I don't know if you can see him.
You can see me.
So the next video, we're gonna be doing more body work, pull out the dents, and get more into detail with it. But you guys stay up, enjoy.
Nice!